Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a mouse selecting everything error in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your control panel. In the search box type a control panel, go to your control panel, click on a mouse. After opening the mouse, make sure that uncheck the turn on click lock. So uncheck it, click on apply and OK button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility, go to your keyboard, scroll down and make sure that sticky keys must be turned off. So in my case, sticky key is already turned off. So if your sticky keys is turned on, then turn off it, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type device manager, open device manager. After that, go to your mic and other pointing devices, select a mouse driver, click on update driver, click on search automatic from drivers and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Next method is that on the start menu, right click, go to your device manager, go to your mic and other pointing devices, select a mouse driver, right click, click on uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again install the your mouse driver, and after that I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.